want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending this doll to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at Dia de Muertos Barbie doll. This is a Barbie signature doll that was released on September 2nd, 2020. Designed by Javier Miyabi, and I do apologize if I am not pronouncing everything correctly. On Mattel's website, this doll has a suggested retail price of $75. However, due to high demand, you might see prices that are a lot higher on other websites. This is Barbie's second collectible doll honoring the Day of the Dead, which is a celebration of life and death, a holiday that originated in Mexico, according to my online research. This year, it started on Sunday, November 1st and ended on Monday, November 2nd. Let me just say, this doll box is beautiful. We have some nice, clean lines. It will look great on a shelf for those of you who display doll boxes. Seriously, you can just sit here and stare at all of the artwork on this box. The detail is incredible. Look at her earrings. You see wax dripping down the candles. Her floral headpiece. Look at that collar. Stunning. On the side of the box, we can see a decorated skull with flowers and a candle. On the back of the box, it says, Dia de Muertos is a 2-day holiday in early November when families gather to celebrate the lives of their departed loved ones. This colorful and lively event is filled with music, food, sweets, offerings, and flowers. The Barbie Dia de Muertos series honors the traditions, symbols, and rituals often seen throughout this time. Barbie doll is a vision with her face painted in a captivating calavera design. Her blush-colored lace dress is embellished with tiny pearlescent details and opens slightly to reveal a second layer embroidered with floral and skeleton accents. Golden highlights in her hair shimmer beneath a crown of skeleton hands holding roses and marigolds. May the 2020 Dia de Muertos Barbie become a treasured tradition for your celebration. Let me just say, I love when doll boxes are informative. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, this is like the first time I have been tempted to leave the doll in the box. Why, you ask? Because the packaging is beautiful and I didn't want to ruin it. I have a very bad habit of destroying doll boxes, especially when there's so many little inserts like this, and then the doll stand is over on the side, and I can't get it out without ripping it. So I'm using a doll stand from another doll because I'm not messing up my box. Hold on, there's probably like a smarter way to do this. So I'm just gonna take this insert out, which gives me access to the back of the box, which they obviously wanted me to do because that's where the certificate of authenticity is. So let's carefully remove that without tearing up the box. I'm cringing a little here. Oh, look, I can just fold this. They didn't even tape it down. Sorry, Mattel. You already thought this through. Now I have to very carefully remove all these pieces. Just take my time and don't mess up the box. Now for the doll stand, I can probably just deconstruct the box. Oh wow, look at that! You learn something new every day. Love it. Oh my goodness, I am such a noob. Okay, so I just take all that back. This is a black label doll that comes with a paper certificate of authenticity. This certifies that your Barbie Dia de Muertos doll was created through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. She comes with a doll stand, making it easy to display the doll. With the doll stand, the dress just touches the floor. She has dark brown hair with gold tinsel. It is styled into a round braid with a plastic headpiece secured with thread that has painted roses and marigolds held by skeleton hands on the sides. That's pretty cool looking. Lots of details. Her face design is very intricate. It's painted white in the center and then it fades to her natural skin tone. There's a shimmery blue periwinkle around her eyes, then a very intricate design that has a little bit of a metallic shine to it with gold, red, white, and black details. There are more gold and white details around the top and on her cheeks, little red hearts, a black skeleton nose, a red lip liner, a brownish rose lip color, and black details on the lips. Whoa, a lot of detail. She wears gold colored earrings that dangle. There is a little tiny skull in the center. These earrings are easy to remove, which is a giant plus for me. Not that this doll is in any danger of me taking her fashion and accessories, because I really just want to leave this doll just as she is. It's just good to know we have options. Her dress has long sleeves. The top is a thin, semi-sheer material. It has painted bones going down the arms with flowers, a high collar with a salmon-colored ribbon detail. There is an intricate paint design on the top, an opening in the back. This dress is removable and it closes with Velcro. There are sewn on pearl details at the chest, a blush colored bodice with a painted skeleton. We can see the spine and a few ribs. The end of the sleeves are hemmed. The skirt balloons out. There is a delicate lace overlay. It does have raw edges. Underneath, there is a blush colored skirt. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it. It's kind of a heavy fabric. It's good at staying put. There is an intricate embroidered design going down the front with flowers, skulls, and shades of blue, yellow, pink, and gold. And at the bottom, there are two golden skeleton hands reaching up. Personally, I am loving all of this detail. She has a very clean face design, and the embroidery on this dress really takes this to the next level. There is a beautiful scene inside the doll box. We can see last year's doll in a frame, and it's just little details like that that make me very happy. Now, the articulation. This doll is on the Model Muse body with the Dea collector size facial sculpt. She can move at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. Oh, and I almost forgot, she wears gold open-toe heels. And for me, they fall off easily, so I'm just gonna keep her on the doll stand. I'm kind of a fan of articulation. Who am I kidding? I am a huge fan of articulation. Especially at this price point, I would have liked to have seen more movement. But overall, I think this is a beautiful doll, representing a very special holiday. If you are or were able to add this doll to your collection, congrats! I totally want the 2019 doll, and hopefully we will be wowed next year with another. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the 2020 Dia de Muertos Barbie doll. Let us know in the comments down below if this doll is a buy or pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!